Hello and welcome everybody to another tutorial in the series. In the last tutorial, we were talking about variables, data types and data type casting. And in this tutorial, we are going to talk about math operators. So Python has all the basic math operators like plus, which is used for addition, minus, which is used for subtraction, and the star symbol, which is used for multiplication, and the forward slash, that is used for division. So I will just comment this out and we'll see examples of them. I guess I never mentioned about comments. So any line that starts with a hash is considered as comment in Python. And what Python does with comments is it basically ignores them. Let's see an example of it. So we'll print subscribe on the next line. Let's run this. So here Python only printed subscribe, but it didn't do anything for our plus, minus, star and divide, as it ignored them. So let's comment print as well. Let's see what Python prints this time. So here Python printed nothing, as we have commented both the lines and Python ignored both of them. So these are called as single line comments. But if you want to do multiple line comments, you can encase them in triple quotes. So anything you type in between over here will be neglected by Python. So let's run this. So as you can see, Python neglected all these comments and just printed like, which is not a comment. So on to math operators then. You can perform math within print and with variables as well. So let's say we store 4 in A and 2 within B. So let's first see an example of addition. So we'll say print A plus B. So it should print 6, and yes, it printed 6. Let's subtract. So 4 minus 2 is 2, so it should print 2, and it printed 2. Let's do multiplication as well. So 4 into 2 is 8, and it should print 8, and yes, it prints 8. Let's do division. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let's run this. So it printed 2.0, which basically means A divided by B returned a value which is a float. So let's say we don't want the point and the 0. So then what we can do is we can use the floor division operator. So let's run this. So as you can see, it printed 2. So what this will do is the floor division operator basically discards anything after the point and returns the result as an integer. So another operator we have which is called as exponent operator. So to use the exponent operator, you type star 2 times. So what this means is it is 4 raised to 2 or 4 to the power of 2, which is 16. Let's try running this. So yes, it printed 16. So 4 raised to 2 is 16, and that is the result that we got on the screen. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this tutorial. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. As always, thanks for watching and support me by subscribing if you liked it. And until next time.